decided to go on a diet for once. Uh-oh. Oh, man, I'm so bored. No. I'm hungry. Is Grumpy gonna be back? Oh, God, I'm starving. Huh? Smells great. What do we got? Says. Tastes delicious. Where's the big balls? I love playing with my stomach balls. Oh. I gotta go to. I'm good.